Hey friends, if you wish to find the computer model name or serial number on Windows using command prompt, then please watch this video. Now, why would you want to check the model name and serial number through command prompt? Because usually it is written on the box of your computer, which you usually lose, and the second place it is written is behind your computer, I mean at the bottom of your computer. So if it's a laptop, you'll have to pick it up and check and sneak down, and if it's a desktop, then you will have to lean down, which is both unfavorable. And why to do that when you have simple commands for it? So the command to check the model number is WMIC space CS product space get space name. So search for command prompt, open it, just a normal command prompt, not the elevated one. Paste this and we have the details here. Name Asus TUF Gaming A15 and the model number FA507RE. It's correct. And as for the serial number, simply copy paste the second command. I have it in the description section and you get the serial number here. Read it out to the tech support whenever you need help. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.